Hey everybody, this is Brad from ShadowTrader.net, and I want to talk to you about adding to positions. And you generally want to add to winners. You don't want to add to losers unless you're building a position at a certain level. But that's for another video. What I want to talk about is adding to winners right now. Now, ALB was a stock that Scooter gave me about a week and a half ago. I'm kind of kicking myself because I first bought the thing below 115 bucks. The stop all the way down to here was a little bit too much. I put the stop a little too close, about 1 ATR, average shoe range. Again, I'm not going to get into that right now, but I did get stopped out, lost a couple bucks, but I got back in. And the thing I want to talk about is, the train hasn't really left the station yet, but I just want to talk about, the who, what, where, and when to add to positions. And so when I got back into Albemarle, one of the things that I look at are prior highs. So that prior high right there in ALB is a stock position, or I should say location, that once it kind of breaks over that swing high of the 16th of February, and that high is right around 125 bucks, that's when I think, or, when I'm thinking to myself, okay, the stock looks good, some more buyers are coming in, I want to add another piece. So when I got back in, and again, I'm kicking myself because the first time I bought it was 114.95. I did get back in at 122 and change, and I bought more at 129. Again, why did I do that? Is because the stock, number one, took out that high. Number two, took out yesterday's high today. So I added more. So the point is, when the stock is working and all of a sudden we're making, a bunch of higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and we're clearing some, prior support or at this point resistance, that's when you want to think about adding to your position. It also works on the short side. NVIDIA, those of you that are in the room, I shorted NVIDIA here on the 23rd of February. Obviously, I didn't get the high. The all-time high was up here around 820 bucks, but I did short my first piece at 798 bucks. And then once it broke, started to make a couple-day low, that's when I added to it. And I shorted some more at 776, and my basis is 787 right now. So do I want to add more NVIDIA to the short side? You better believe it. And one of the things I'll be looking for is kind of, either shorting below this high here, or waiting for it to kind of go in to fill the gap. And then, of course, looking at the trend line there, my target would be, obviously the gap fill and the 21 period MA on the daily chart. So anyway, hopefully that helps. Again, you want to add to winners. Try not to add to losers unless you're kind of, spreading the trade out. In other words, if you buy 100 shares or 1,000 shares, you buy a quarter, or half and half. But just make sure that your trade location, if you're adding to a loser, you still have to know where you're getting out if you're wrong. And of course, a stock like NVIDIA, for instance, if it really starts to break back up over that descending trend line and head back toward all-time highs, I'd have to get out. But now I've got a good cushion. I want to add more to the short side there for NVIDIA. And I also want to add more to ALB to the long side. Like if we were to take out today's high tomorrow in ALB, I probably would add more. All right. Anyway, hope it helps, and have a great rest of your day and evening, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Hey everybody, this is Brad Agunis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other ShadowTrader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.